Hi, love.
Hey there, sweetheart.
How was your day?
Long, but seeing you makes it all better.
I missed you.
I missed you too, more than words can say.
Want to cuddle?
Always. You're my favorite place to be,
I love your warmth.
and I love holding you close.
Remember our first date?
How could I forget? It feels like yesterday,
You looked so nervous.
because I couldn't believe someone like you was actually there with me.
I was nervous too.
Really? You seem so calm and beautiful.
I was just trying to impress you.
Well, you did more than impress. You stole my heart.
And you stole mine.
Forever and always, my love.
Forever and always, my darling.